Right. In the previous video, we looked at how the hammer is so powerful in helping us forecast a bull run, okay, in the future. Now, uh, the hammer, as I mentioned before, the low of the hammer becomes support. So we will try to understand how the low of the hammer becomes support here. So that will give us the confidence that we can keep our stop loss below the hammer. So if we keep our stop loss below the hammer, the chances are very low that our stop loss will get hit. So even if it price tries to come down, it might come down and from here it might start to go up. But chances are very low that it will hit our stop loss. So the hammer gives us a precise stop loss level and we have to trade with a stop loss. We cannot trade without a stop loss. No professional trader trades without a stop loss. So as professional traders, we should be able to identify where we need to cut our losses. Okay, so this is a daily chart of Maruti Suzuki. So if you notice here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, after 8 consecutive bear candles you have a hammer. Now all the conditions of the hammer are satisfied here. It is coming after a downtrend. The lower shadow is more than twice the height of the real body. It has negligible upper shadow. It has a very small real body. So all the conditions are satisfied here. So I have drawn a purple dotted line here to mark the support of the hammer. So I keep the stop loss just under the low of the hammer, because what if the price just tests the low and goes back up again? So it might hit our stop loss and go up again. So instead of doing that, I just draw the line just under the 1 or 2 ticks or 1 or 2 units under the low of the hammer. Okay, so that is where I will keep my stop loss. And in this video, our objective is to understand how the low of the hammer becomes support. So if you notice here, look at the precision of Japanese candlesticks. In this area and in this area, the bears have tried to push the prices down, but they have failed in doing so because the support of the hammer is so strong. We know that the bulls are sitting here. The bulls will never allow the price to go below the low of the hammer. So exactly whenever the price tries to enter that zone, which is the 900 level approximately, whenever prices come near the 900 level, the bulls come back charging into the market and they don't allow the price to go below this low. So that is the reason why, or that should give you the confidence that you can keep your stop loss below the low of the hammer, so that the chances of your stop loss getting hit are very low. What we want is a precise entry point, which is the close of the hammer, and we want a point where we can keep our stop loss, which should not get hit. Now this is a daily chart. Okay, so this was in third week of November, and this was in maybe second or third week of December. Okay, this point. So even after a month or so, that level 900 is still respected. So in trading, a 1 month time is a very long time, but as you can see here, the market has the memory. People are looking at daily charts, and the bulls know that at that price they have to push the price up. And if you just had a bit of patience, if you would have bought here, probably you would have lost patience during this period when the prices were just going flat. Probably you would have become nervous when the prices went down. Okay, but if you had that patience for a month or so, from here till about here, it was a period of 1.5 months. So if you had that patience and you had the confidence in the hammer that the low of the hammer will hold as support, then see, your patience was handsomely rewarded. The price just skyrocketed from there. So believe in Japanese candlesticks. The Japanese candlesticks don't guarantee, Japanese candlesticks do not guarantee that the prices will go up. They just indicate that there is a very high probability that the prices are likely to go up. So it's a game of probabilities. There are no guarantees in the market. The market is very unpredictable. The hammer is just telling us that there is a the odds are higher that the prices will start to go up from here. Okay.